Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best CarPlay navigation. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Onus T-Box T3. Specifications: brand name, Onus. Power, 5 volts. Bluetooth, 4.2. Wi-Fi, 2.4G plus 5G. Connection mode, wireless and Wi-Fi from phone. Support app, Spotify, Waze, Google, Netflix, YouTube app. Dimensions, 82 by 82 by 18. Number 4 on our list is 10.25 inches wireless Apple CarPlay. Specifications: brand name, Hyom. Category, CarPlay. RAM, 256 megabits. Display size, 10.25 inches. Operating system, Linux. Resolution, 1280 by 480. Interface, USB-O. Voltage, 12 volts. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 1.7 kilograms. Warranty, 1 year. Number 3 on our list is Iki 5-inch motorcycle wireless Apple CarPlay. Specifications: brand name, Iki. Display size, 5 inches. Material type, plastic and metal. Resolution, 800 by 480. Placement, in dash. Item type, car monitors. Weight, 900 grams. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 on our list is Android 10 Din Car Multimedia Player. Specifications: brand name, no_null. Operating system, Android 10.0 OS. Resolution, 1024 by 600. Display size, 10 inches. RAM plus ROM, 2G plus 32G. Voltage, 12 volts. Material type, plastic and hardware. Weight, 1.5 kilograms. Number 1 on our list is 10.26 inches dash cam. Specifications: brand name, ObjPeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 10.26 inch. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, DS, MP4. Max external memory, 128G. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC 4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. View angle, 170.